Most contractors lose interest in software before they even try it properly. And that is usually because they never fully understand what the free trial actually includes. Here's the truth no one tells you. Workyard offers a free trial in 2026, but the real value is not just access. It is how quickly you can test real job site tracking with your actual crew. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to get the Workyard free trial, what you can test during it, and how to decide if it is actually worth keeping for your business. Let's start with the basics. Workyard is designed for contractors who want better visibility over their field teams. A manager like Alex can track worker locations, monitor time on job sites, and improve job costing accuracy without relying on manual timesheets. Now here's where it gets interesting. The free trial is not just a demo with fake data. In most cases, it is designed so you can test real-world usage with real employees. That means you can immediately see how GPS tracking performs in your actual workflow. But here's the problem. Many contractors sign up for a trial and never set it up properly. They click around for a few minutes, get confused, and assume the software is too complex. So let's walk through how to actually get started the right way. First, you go to the official Workyard website and sign up for the trial. You will usually be asked for basic business details like company name, number of employees, and type of work you do. Second, you set up your first crew. This is where a contractor like Jake would invite workers to join the system. Workers then install the mobile app on their phones to enable GPS tracking and time logging. Third, you assign a sample job. This allows you to test how time tracking works in real conditions, not just in a dashboard. Now here is the key insight most people miss. The value of the trial is not in exploring every feature. It is in testing one real workflow from start to finish. Clock in, job assignment, tracking, and reporting. If that workflow works for your business, everything else becomes easier to evaluate. Now let's talk about what you should look for during the trial. Check how accurate GPS tracking feels on your job sites. Pay attention to how easy it is for workers to clock in and out. And most importantly, see whether job costing data actually helps you understand where your money is going. If those three things improve your workflow even slightly, the software may already be worth considering. But if setup feels too complicated or your team refuses to use it, that is also important information. It means the tool may not fit your current operations. The biggest mistake contractors make is judging the software without testing it in real conditions. So the takeaway is simple. The Workyard free trial is not about exploring features. It is about validating whether your field operations improve with real GPS-based tracking. If this helped you understand it better, like, comment, and subscribe for more construction software guides like this.